Hello, this is Kurt Schleibaum, and in this screencast I'm going to show how to set up a group contact so that you can contact more than one person with the same contact. So let's go over to our Gmail program. When it loads up, to be able to make that contact, you can click this little arrow next to Mail or click Mail itself and go down to Contacts. You want to create a new contact, and you want it to be a group contact. So there's a little button here that looks like a group. You click on it, come down and create new group. For this example, I'm going to be using the Technology Committee. Once you click OK, you should see that group that you just made file in underneath your contacts here. So underneath my contacts, Technology Committee. I'm going to click on it, and that brings me to this window where I can add the people into that group. So I'm going to click Add. And if they're in our domain, they should pop up automatically. If they do not, you can type them in manually. And you just want to make sure that there's a comma after the previous, and you just type in their email address and then click Add. This is also where you could come in if you needed to make changes to a group. If you needed to add more, you could add more by clicking Add. I like to add myself to my groups in case I decide to export it and share it with someone. I know I'm already into that group. If you need to remove somebody from the group, you can simply click on their name and you can delete that contact out of that group. You can actually switch which groups they're in. So you can see if you need to move them from one committee to another. On your side, you could move it right there. And that is how we set up groups. So how does that work when you need to send an email? So let's go back over to Mail. We're going to hit Compose, and we can type a message to Technology Committee, and you can see it populated all those names right there. Obviously, I'm going to get a copy of it as well, and that's fine. And we can say meeting next week. And you could type your message, hit send. And that's how you set up groups inside Gmail. Hopefully that helps out, and thank you for listening and tuning in.